Hans the Ramen Rater. You'll notice this isn't the usual venue for an unboxing time video. However, today I gotta open this thing literally as soon as it arrived because it's on ice. So why don't we have a look at a box that just showed up. Alright, so we got a box from Blount Fine Foods over in, well, east of here. Rush perishable shipment. I'm glad I knew it was coming because UPS literally just like dropped it on the doorstep and knocked feebly. They tend to do that. They don't like to knock very loud. They just kind of like to drop something and run away. Scurry like weird little woodland creatures. Like these woodland creatures. Hey guys, you want to see me open a box? Come on, look. Here comes Miri. She's curious about the box. What could be inside the box, Miri? Say hi. Hi. Miles, do you want to see? Can you say noodles? Noodles. Crack this open. I've gotten these before. I actually did a meet the manufacturer for this company in the past, and it's pretty cool stuff. A ton of noodles. So this is their new product. This is their Beef Pho Noodle. Beef Pho. And you basically, you get the soup, and then on top in broth is all contained in one unit here. So here's the soup. And then you have, and there's the noodles, fresh noodles. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, I've tried their products before. Here's another Beef Pho. Looks like a couple more. So everybody gets to try. Cool. Very, very, very cool. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Thanks to Blount Fine Foods for shooting these Beef Pho bowls over. And yeah, you'll be seeing a recipe time and a review coming soon. So, alright, with that, this has been Hans. Have a good one, and bye.